I'm still messing with this Delta, and I'm having a dickens of a time getting this thing to work properly. It is so finicky. The level is like a bowl. It's too close to the plate on the outside, and it's too far away from the plate in the center. I gotta sit here and push and pull and play with it to get that first level down, first layer down. The effector geometry was off. The two of these arms were too long. I shortened them, and now it's sitting more correct. It's sitting level the way it's supposed to, at least visually. But clearly the geometry is still off, because this is obviously not a bowl. It's a glass plate, and I used two different glass plates. Didn't matter. Also, it's not configured correctly. I finally figured out how to get it to print in the center. I figured out what I was doing wrong. That was a slicer setting. For some reason, everything was printing in reverse. I actually had to not flip the y-axis to get it to look like on the screen what it looks like when it prints. So I don't know if the printer's wrong or if the screen's wrong. But I think the printer's printing everything reversed, inverted. So I think these arms are actually supposed to be going this way. I don't know about that. It appears my maximum print diameter is 145 millimeters, because this line right here is 145 millimeters. I experimented to get that. Actually, it's 150. We'll get to that in a moment. But if I go any further than this, I hit the belts. So I can't go further than that. So now I know I got 270, maybe a little more, by 145. Now the 145 is weird, because I printed a 100 millimeter circle with a 25 millimeter brim, which is 150 millimeters. But it actually only printed 145 millimeters. And the 100 millimeter circle was actually 95 millimeters. It's exactly 5% off. How do I fix that? How do I make a 100 millimeter circle be a 100 millimeter circle? Maybe that's part of why it's having this level problem. I don't know. If anybody can help, I would greatly appreciate it.